Hello, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm attempting to cook 2 recipes from Eitan Eats the World in the New York subway. I have my entourage with me. Let's get cooking, hopefully. Ah, the smell of the subway makes you want to eat food. Welcome to my subway kitchen. You know, not exactly where I always cook, but we're gonna cook 2 delicious recipes to give out to fellow New Yorkers. So we're gonna make my Muddy Buddies, or AKA Puppy Chow from Eitan Eats the World, and we're gonna be making my guacamole. You have roasted poblanos in there, you have roasted pineapple. I've done all the cooking parts, because of course there's not fire available in the subway, or safe. So all that has been done. Let's get started with the Puppy Chow. All right, so I'm gonna start off with our tahini in our large bowl. So, you know, usually Puppy Chow is made with peanut butter, but to make it unique, I really love to do tahini instead. Just a little more, it's kind of like Puppy Chow's sophisticated brother. Train's coming through. Oh my Lord, okay. Butter into the tahini. Little splash of vanilla in there. I actually pre-melted the chocolate. Who needs Subway rats when you could have Subway chocolate? Next up, very important, we're going to add in our cereal. Really mix it up. I love this kitchen. Oh my God, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Powdered sugar, next ingredient. Just gonna pour it all over. Now you wanna do about half of it to start. That'll just do our initial coating, and then we'll add more. Try not to make a mess out here. Subway's a cleanly place. No messes. It's loud in the kitchen. The cars. We're trying to cook. Do the cars not understand we're trying to cook here? All right, let's give it a try, shall we? You have the dark chocolate, that's a little bitter. You have the nutty tahini, the sweet sugar. It's a perfect combination. Puppy Chow is complete. Now it's time to make guacamole. Before I make the guac, if you haven't already, be sure to pre-order Eitan Eats the World. Yes, that's right. It is recipes that will be for anyone who's a beginner chef, an experienced chef, anyone cooking in the subway, cooking on a boat. No matter what your level of cooking experience is, you can cook recipes from Eitan Eats the World. Available everywhere books are sold, coming out May 3rd, and on EitanEatsTheWorld.com. All right, it's guacamole time. All right, let's talk guacamole. In the book, I have a guac, salsa, and chips bar. So today I'm making that guacamole. It has roasted poblano, roasted pineapple. This is going 100 times better than expected. I mean, who knew that cooking on the subway was so fun? Look how peaceful and quiet it is right now in the subway. It's a good time, you know, while you're on the subway, just focus in on your inner peace. The secret to delicious guacamole, believe it or not, is not cooking it in the subway. It is using a whisk. So take the whisk. It is the optimal tool for mashing your guacamole. It's better than a fork. It's better than a spoon. For the perfect guacamole, I recommend doing lemon juice and lime juice. So I'm going to start off with some lemon juice, a little Salt Bay action. The wind of the subways did not allow me to do Salt Bay action, a little low Salt Bay action. Added some grilled pineapple in there. That'll give you some nice sweetness, also some smokiness. Poblano. Cilantro. A little garlic. Just a little bit of onion, a little zing. Woo. I'm thrilled how this is going. That is how you cook in the subway. So you know, you just a little dessert over here, a little snack. We are cleaning up the kitchen and we are gonna turn this into a taste test center extravaganza. So it's time for New Yorkers to let us know what they think of Eitan Eats the World and its recipes. I have some guacamole here and some Puppy Chow here. Would you like to try some? Guacamole, amazing. So give me some guacamole. These recipes are from my cookbook, Eitan Eats the World. So we want to know what New Yorkers think. We want your honest reaction. This is New York City. You like it? Delicious?
Awesome, awesome, delicious.
Should they purchase Eitan Eats the World?
Absolutely, yes.
Would you buy the book?
Yes, I will buy the book.
He would buy the book.
I will buy the book.
Where are you from?
The Rockaways.
The Rockaways, amazing.
Yes.
The Rockaways approve of Eitan Eats the World. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Come get your samples. We have Eitan Eats the World samples, free guacamole, free Puppy Chow. Guacamole?
How many that. Would I be so greedy if I had two?
Have both.
Take it.
I know, we want your real opinion.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so good.
You like it? Hello, trying it. You get guac. I'm like the guacamole Oprah of the subway. You get guac. You get guac. Would you like to try some guacamole?
Okay, I will try.
Awesome.
It is good.
You love it? It's good?
Yay!
Thank you.
Because my hobby is cooking.
What's your best dish?
Biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, kachi biryani.
Do you want to open up a biryani shop here with me?
If you want,
Got it. What do you think? You like it?
That's good. I'm getting like Nutella.
Yeah. Have a great day. Nice meeting you.
it's good. Okay.
You like it?
Okay.
You told me you don't like avocados.
Yeah, I'm not a big.
Can I see if I can convert you? One try.
Okay.
What? Oh! What do you think?
That's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Have I made you a guacamole person?
That's good.
We want honest reactions only. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
I like it. I like this is pineapple, right?
Yeah.
Good. Very good.
Thank you.
Wow, the best.
Thank you so much. All right, now we are heading on the train. Time for some train Eitan Eats the World samples. Would you like a guacamole sample? Do you want to try some guacamole? Guacamole, anyone? Can I offer you guacamole? No. Hey, look at me, I'm a man with guacamole. No one's even looking at me. This is the best part of New York City. No one cares, and this is why I love the city. Being weird is incredible. And I'm back. That could not have gone better. That was so much fun. Now you know what New York thinks of the recipes in Eitan Eats the World. Eitan Eats the World comes out in only 5 days on May 3rd. When this comes out, it's only 5 days away, so be sure to pre-order. Now is the best time to pre-order. When it comes out, you of course can also get it, but if you are ever going to buy Eitan Eats the World, now is the best time. All the info is on EitanEatsTheWorld.com and wherever you buy books. Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, your local bookstore. Be sure to pre-order Eitan Eats the World. If you need me, I think I'm going to go enjoy some of my Subway guacamole. Thanks for watching.